Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's great to be here today. How are you, Emily?
I'm doing great, Paul. Feeling very happy today. How about you?
I'm fantastic, thank you. Ready for another fun English conversation.
Me too. And speaking of fun, we have a really great topic for today. It's something important to everyone.
Ooh, I'm curious. What is it?
Today, we are going to talk about family.
Ah, family. I love that topic. It's a perfect topic for our listeners.
Yes, exactly. We all have a family. It can be big or small, but it's always special.
That's so true. But before we start, we have a small request for all of you listening.
That's right. If you enjoy our podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, Mr. English Channel.
And don't forget to give this episode a like and share it with your friends. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, it does. Okay, are you ready to talk about family, Paul?
I am absolutely ready. Let's do it. So, Emily, to start, do you have a big family or a small family?
Good question. I think I have a big family. Yes, definitely a big family. What about you?
I think my family is small, not very big.
Oh, interesting. So let's talk about that. Let's start with parents. My parents are wonderful. My mother's name is Sarah.
Sarah, that's a lovely name. And your father?
My father's name is David. They are very kind.
That's so nice to hear. My mother's name is Maria, and my father's name is John.
Maria and John. Beautiful names. Are your parents from here?
Yes, they are. They live in a small house near the park.
Oh, that sounds lovely. A house near a park is great. My parents live in the city.
The city is nice too. Lots of things to do. Now, what about brothers and sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I do. This is why my family is big. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Wow! 2 brothers and 1 sister. You have a busy house.
Yes. It was always very loud and very fun. My older brother is Tom. My younger brother is Mark.
Tom and Mark. And your sister?
My sister's name is Jessica. She is the youngest.
Ah, the youngest sister. That's sweet. Are you close with your brothers and sister?
Yes, very close. We talk every week. Tom, my older brother, is very funny. He tells great jokes.
A funny brother is the best. And Mark?
Mark is quiet. He likes to read books. He is very smart.
That's great. And Jessica?
Jessica is very creative. She likes to paint and draw. She is an artist.
Wow! A funny brother, a smart brother, and an artist sister. A very interesting family.
It is. What about you, Paul? You said you have a small family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have 1 sister. Her name is Laura.
Just 1 sister. So it's you and Laura. Is she older or younger than you?
Laura is my younger sister. She is very energetic. She loves sports.
Oh, fun. What sports does she like?
She loves to play tennis and swim. She is very active.
That's fantastic. It's nice to have a sister.
It is. We are good friends. We go to the cinema together sometimes.
That's so nice. Family can be your best friends.
I agree completely. Okay, so we talked about parents and siblings. Let's talk about grandparents.
Oh, yes. Grandparents are so special. I have 2 grandmothers and 1 grandfather.
That's lovely. What are their names?
My mother's mother is my grandmother, Elena. My father's mother is my grandmother, Rose.
Elena and Rose. Very pretty names.
Thank you. And my father's father is my grandfather, George. He is very old and very wise.
Grandfather George. I like that. Does he tell good stories?
Oh, yes, the best stories. About when he was young. It's amazing to listen to him.
I can imagine. My grandparents are wonderful too. I have my grandmother, Sophia, and my grandfather, Michael.
Sophia and Michael. Where do they live?
They live in the countryside. Their house has a big garden with many flowers.
A garden. I love gardens. My grandmother Rose also has a garden. She has red and yellow roses.
Beautiful. My grandmother, Sophia, grows vegetables. Tomatoes, carrots, yummy.
Fresh vegetables from your grandmother's garden, that is the best.
It really is. Grandparents are full of love and good food.
Exactly. Now, let's go to the next part of the family tree. Aunts and uncles.
Ah, yes. Aunts and uncles. The brothers and sisters of your parents. Do you have many?
I do. My father has 1 brother, so I have 1 uncle. His name is Peter.
Uncle Peter. Is he nice?
He is very nice, and he is married. His wife is my aunt. Her name is Mary, so I have Aunt Mary.
Uncle Peter and Aunt Mary. That's easy to remember.
Yes, and my mother has 2 sisters, so I have 2 aunts on my mother's side.
2 more aunts? Wow!
Yes, Aunt Carol and Aunt Susan. They are both very sweet.
So you have 1 uncle and 3 aunts in total.
That's right. It's a lot, I know. What about you, Paul?
It's much simpler for me. My father has 1 sister, my Aunt Lisa.
Aunt Lisa.
And my mother has 1 brother, my Uncle James.
So, 1 aunt and 1 uncle for you.
Yes, exactly. Aunt Lisa and Uncle James. They are both very fun to be around.
That's the most important thing. Now, if you have aunts and uncles, you might have...
Cousins.
Yes, cousins. The children of your aunts and uncles.
I have 2 cousins. Aunt Lisa has 2 sons. Their names are Ben and Sam.
Ben and Sam. Are they your age?
Ben is a little older and Sam is a little younger. We play video games together. It's fun.
That sounds great. I love playing games with family. What about you? You have more aunts and uncles. So, do you have more cousins?
Yes, I do. Many more. Let me think. Uncle Peter and Aunt Mary have 1 daughter, my cousin Chloe.
Chloe. Okay, 1 cousin. Then Aunt Carol has 2 children, a son and a daughter. My cousins Daniel and Olivia.
So that's 3 cousins now.
And Aunt Susan has 1 son, my cousin Leo.
So, Chloe, Daniel, Olivia, and Leo. You have 4 cousins.
Yes, 4 cousins. It's fun when we all get together for holidays. The house is full.
I can imagine. A big, happy family gathering. That sounds amazing.
It is. We eat a big meal, we talk, we laugh. It's my favorite time.
That's really special. Family time is so important.
It really is. So, let's do a little recap. We have parents, mother and father.
Yes, and siblings, brother and sister.
Then grandparents, grandmother and grandfather.
And then aunts, uncles, and cousins.
Perfect. That's a good look at the family tree.
It is. Now, let's try to describe our family members. We can use simple words. For example, my sister Laura has long brown hair.
Ooh, good idea. Let's describe them. My brother Tom is tall. He is very tall.
Tall. Okay. My father, John, has short gray hair.
My mother, Sarah, has beautiful blue eyes.
Blue eyes. Very nice. My grandmother, Sophia, is very kind and has a warm smile.
Aw, that's a sweet description. My grandfather, George, is very funny. He makes everyone laugh.
That's a great quality. My cousin Ben is very friendly. He likes to meet new people.
My cousin, Olivia, is very smart. She reads a lot of books, like my brother, Mark.
It sounds like you have a very smart family.
They are, and it's great practice for our listeners. You can describe your family too. You can say, my mother is tall, or my brother has brown eyes.
Yes, exactly. Use simple words. Tall, short, long hair, short hair, blue eyes, brown eyes, green eyes.
Or you can describe their personality. Funny, kind, smart, friendly.
These are all excellent words to know, and it's a nice way to think about your family.
It is. What about family activities? What does your family like to do together, Paul?
On weekends, my parents, my sister, and I like to watch movies together. We eat popcorn.
Oh, I love movie nights. My family likes to eat together. Every Sunday, we have a big lunch at my parents' house.
A Sunday lunch. That sounds so traditional and nice. What do you eat?
My mother is a great cook. She often makes pasta or a big roast chicken. It's delicious.
I'm hungry now.
Me too. Food brings family together.
It's true. With my cousins, we like to play board games. It can get very competitive and fun.
Oh, I love board games. My sister Jessica and I like to go for walks in the park.
Walking in the park is a wonderful activity. It's relaxing.
It is. We talk and just enjoy the day. It's a simple thing, but it's very nice.
The simple things are often the best. These are great examples for our listeners. You can say, my family watches movies, or my family eats lunch together.
Yes, it's all about connecting and spending time with the people you love.
Exactly. You know, Emily, this conversation makes me very happy. Thinking about my family is nice.
Me too, Paul. Family is our first home and our first group of friends. It's so important.
It is. And it's a great topic to practice English because you can talk about your own family. It's personal and easy to talk about.
That's a very good point. You know the people, so it's easier to find the words.
Right. You can start with, my mother's name is, and I have one brother. Simple sentences are perfect.
And then you can add more. He is tall. She likes music. We play games together.
Yes, that's how you build your English skills, step by step, just like building a family tree.
I like that comparison, Paul. That's very clever.
Well, this has been a wonderful chat. I feel like I know your family now, Emily.
And I feel like I know yours, Paul. It was so lovely to share these stories.
I agree. And I hope our listeners enjoyed it too and learned some new words for talking about their own families.
I'm sure they did. Learning English is about connecting, and family is the biggest connection of all.
Well said, Emily. Well said. I think our time is almost up for today.
Oh, you're right. Time flies when you're having fun.
It certainly does. Before we go, we want to thank all of you for listening to this episode of Mr. English Channel.
Yes, thank you so much. We love making these podcasts for you. And we have a little homework for you.
Homework.
Fun homework. We would love for you to leave a comment below. Tell us something about your family.
Oh, what a great idea. You can write one sentence. For example, I have one sister. Or, my father is funny.
Exactly. We would be so happy to read your comments and learn a little about your families.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next episode.
Please also share this podcast with your friends and family who are also learning English.
Thank you again for joining us. It was a pleasure.
It was. Goodbye for now, everyone.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.